Statement A. A constant force F is applied on a stationary particle of mass m. The velocity attained by the particle in certain displacement will be proportional to 1 upon root m. Statement B. A constant force F is applied on a stationary particle of mass m. The velocity attained by a particle in a certain interval of time will be proportional to 1 upon m. According to statement A, the particle is initially at rest. Its mass is m and a constant force F is applied on it. Therefore, acceleration produced in that particle is F upon m. Now let S be the displacement then final velocity after S displacement is to be calculated. So from v square minus u square equals to 2as, v square is equal to 2 times F upon m multiplied by S. So this implies v is proportional to 1 upon root m. Now let us consider statement B. According to this statement, the particle has started from rest, its mass is m, and it is acted upon by a constant force F. So acceleration produced in it is F upon m. Let t be some time. Then we want to find out what is the value of its final velocity at the end of t time. So from v is equal to u plus at, v is equal to F upon m multiplied by t. From this equation we can conclude that v is proportional to 1 upon m. Therefore, from these two proportionalities, we can conclude that statement A and B are correct. Therefore, the correct option is 1.